Hello everyone and welcome to CyberMX. In this video, we are going to again talk about the find command and how we can use it to find files and directories using their permissions.
So this perm option stands for permission. Suppose that you do not know the name of the file, you do not know it's empty or not, you do not know about the owner and group owner of the file. Still, you can find the file on your system using the permission. So suppose that you know the permission. I know that the permission of the file is 760. So it will try to find all the files in my system who has the permission as 760. For now, we are not getting anything. Let's try to change it to some other value like 777. So you can see you got this file which is having permission 777. You got this file which is having permission 777. You can confirm the same also by running the ls-l command, and you can see they have 777 permission. So you can use numbers to identify files on the behalf of permission. Also, you can use alphabets. Let's say you know the owner has RWX. So I want to find those files where owner has RWX. So all these files are present whose owner has the full permission. If you want to know that the group has only read permission, so you can first search it like this. It will tell you all those files where group has read permission and owner has read, write, execute permission.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.